Hey fashion nerds, are you ready to geek out over some seriously mind-blowing clothing gadgets? Today, we've got 11 futuristic fashion tech wonders that'll make your jaw drop. Apollo self-cleaning t-shirt. First, we've got a game changer for all you lazy launderers, the Apollo self-cleaning t-shirt from Herculean. This isn't your ordinary tee, oh no. It's like having a magical shield that repels dirt, stains, and even those mystery smells that linger after a spicy meal. You heard that right, no more embarrassing bits. Picture this, you're at a summer barbecue, savoring every bite of that juicy burger, when suddenly, a splash of ketchup defies gravity and lands on your t-shirt. No need to panic. The Apollo self-cleaning t-shirt scoffs at stains and sends that ketchup packing. It's like having a superhero on your chest, fighting dirt and grime one smudge at a time. Say hello to laundry-free life and embrace the perpetual freshness of this awesome self-cleaning tee. The ultimate muscle monitor. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. The Myontec Mbody 3 is not your ordinary fitness tracker. It's a muscle monitoring marvel that provides real-time insights into your muscle performance. With its state-of-the-art EMG technology, electromyography, the Mbody 3 measures the electrical activity of your muscles as you move, giving you a deep understanding of how your body responds to different workouts and activities. Imagine you're hitting the gym for a strength training session. As you lift those weights, the Mbody 3 diligently tracks the muscle activation in your arms, chest, and back. With its intuitive app, you can see which muscles are firing at their peak and which ones might need some extra attention. It's like having your own sports science lab right on your wrist, guiding you towards the most effective training strategies. Moonwalkers by Robotics. Get ready for some futuristic fashion with Moonwalkers by Robotics. These are not your ordinary sneakers. They're shape-shifting wonders. You can customize their design and colors using a mobile app, creating a whole new look whenever you want. Whether you're bold, playful, or sophisticated, Moonwalkers have you covered. Walk confidently with an ever-evolving style. Alignmed Posture Shirt. Calling all desk warriors and slouchy superheroes, we've got this ultimate fix for that hunched back situation. The Alignmed Posture Shirt 2.0. This is not your grandma's back brace, but a modern, stylish, and ridiculously effective posture-perfecting garment. Imagine this. You've been binge-watching your favorite show for hours, and suddenly you realize you're morphing into the shape of your couch. Fear not, the Alignmed Posture Shirt 2.0 comes to the rescue, reminding you slouchy self to straighten up and own your posture game. Its discreet support system hugs your body like a gentle reminder from your mom to stand up straight. Embrace your confident self and say goodbye to that hunchback look for good. Smart Underwear by ALMA. You heard us right. Smart underwear is now a thing. Let us introduce you to the ALMA Smart Underwear, the wearable wonder that merges comfort with health trackings like peanut butter and jelly. Now, you might wonder why underwear needs to be smart. Imagine this. You're hitting the gym, crushing those reps, and breaking a sweat like a fitness god. Meanwhile, your smart underwear stealthily monitors your heart rate, body temperature, and performance. It's like having a personal fitness guru hanging out in your undies, giving you real-time insights and keeping tabs on your health. Whether you're a gym junkie or an everyday wellness warrior, ALMA Smart Underwear is the tech-savvy companion you never knew you needed. Speaking of things you shouldn't miss out on, go ahead and subscribe to our channel for the coolest tech content. Levi's Jacquard Trucker Jacket. It's time to rock fashion with a tech twist. The Levi's Jacquard Trucker Jacket is a seamless collaboration between fashion giant Levi's and Google's Project Jacquard. This stylish denim jacket features a smart wearable interface on its sleeve, allowing you to control your phone with simple gestures, answer calls, skip songs, or get directions without taking your phone out of your pocket. Stay connected while staying effortlessly cool with the Levi's Jacquard Trucker Jacket. Hexoskin Pro Kit for women. Ladies, are you ready to unleash your inner fitness goddess? Say hello to the Hexoskin Pro Kit for women, your new secret weapon for reaching those fitness goals with precision. Here's the deal. The Hexoskin Pro Kit is like having a team of fitness experts stitched into your clothing, cheering you on to greatness. As you hit the gym or pound the pavement, it monitors your heart rate, breathing patterns, and more. It's like a personal trainer with telepathic powers guiding you toward peak performance. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, let the Hexoskin Pro Kit be your fitness BFF, keeping you stylish and motivated every step of the way. Muse S Gen 2. Hey Zen seekers and meditation mavens, we've got a mind-blowing gadget for you, the Muse S Gen 2 headband. It's like slipping into a calming cocoon of relaxation and focus. No yoga mat required. Picture this. You're winding down after a hectic day, seeking tranquility amidst the chaos of life. You put on your Muse S Gen 2 headband, and like a magical mental compass, it guides you into a state of Zen. The headband measures your brain activity and provides real-time feedback as you meditate. It's like having a chill buddy that whispers, "Hey, just breathe and let your thoughts float away." So, kick back, find your happy place, and let the Muse S Gen 2 lead you to a world of peace and clarity. Nadi X Smart Yoga Pants. Yogis, listen up. We've got the ultimate yoga buddy for you, the Nadi X Smart Yoga Pants. These are not your ordinary leggings. They're like having a personal yoga instructor guiding you into the perfect pose. Imagine this. You're on your mat, ready to dive into your yoga flow, but you're not quite sure if the Warrior 2 is on point. Fear not, the Nadi X Smart Yoga Pants rescue them with their haptic feedback system. As you move into different poses, the pants gently vibrate, nudging you into alignment. It's like having an invisible hand guiding you into yoga nirvana. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi or a newbie looking to find your flow, the Nadi X Smart Yoga Pants will take your practice to a whole new level. Vollebak Solar Charged Jacket. Are you ready to shine bright like a fashion supernova? Feast your eyes on the Vollebak Solar Charged Jacket, the jacket that lights up your world. Here's the scoop. The Vollebak Solar Charged Jacket harnesses the power of the sun, transforming sunlight into an ethereal glow. Picture yourself strolling through the streets at night, and your jacket comes alive with a soft, radiant light illuminating your path like a sci-fi movie. Not only does it turn heads, but it also makes a bold statement about sustainable fashion. It's like wearing a piece of art that says, "Hey world, I care about the environment, and I look fabulous while doing it." So embrace your inner eco-warrior and let the Vollebak Solar Charged Jacket light up your life. ShiftWear Customizable Sneakers. Last but not least, sneakerheads and art enthusiasts gather for the ShiftWear Customizable Sneakers. Get ready to wear your creativity on your feet, literally. Okay, picture this. You're an artist at heart and love expressing yourself through bold and vibrant designs. With the ShiftWear Customizable Sneakers, your shoes becomes a blank canvas for your artistic genius. Using the mobile app, you can design jaw-dropping animations and patterns that bring your kicks to life. One day, you're sporting psychedelic swirls, the next, you're strutting in a galaxy of stars. The possibilities are limitless as your imagination. So, let your creativity run wild and make a splash in the sneaker world with ShiftWear Customizable Sneakers. And there you have it, 11 mind-blowing next-generation clothing gadgets that redefine fashion and technology. Are you as blown away as we are? Let us know in the comments below which gadget tickles your tech fancy. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Thanks for tuning in.